From design and engineering to manufacturing, delivery, and installation, Acurlite is your turnkey provider of state-of-the-art commercial, heavy-duty skylight systems. Acurlite's engineering background and design capability, more than 300 years of combined experience, allows us to stand apart from the competition and tackle the most unique designs. Our engineering team has solved many challenges over the years, from hurricane-ready and blast-rated projects to multi-stage guttering systems allowing for the ultimate in water control on complex geometries. Using 3D modeling and printing, we can test specific details and interfaces during the design phase, so the project can move forward with certainty. Take the next step. Contact Acurlite and experience the Acurlite Advantage for yourself.